Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can find someone's location by phone number. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened mobilelocation.com website, and we're going to use this website to track someone's location by phone number. And first of all, of course, you just need to open up this website. You can open it from your mobile phone or your computer, and then we need to add the phone number we want to track or someone's phone number that we want to find. And don't forget to select the code here, and I'm going to choose Indonesia, and then we can enter the phone number here. Oops, wait, I'm going to paste the phone number I have copied. All right, this is the phone number I want to track, and then we just need to click on launch here, and we will get information about country, and then region, city, street, build, location, routes, latitude and longitude. And we just need to wait for a moment until the information completed. Okay, basically we just need to wait, and the location will appear right here, but you need to patiently wait for the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find someone's location by phone number. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.